Here's the truth. Seedream 4.0 is not just another AI tool. It's quickly becoming the go-to platform for creators, editors, and businesses who want speed and polish without hiring a whole team. But the question everyone's asking is, do you really need to pay for Seedream 4.0 or is the free version enough? So first things first, search LM Arena on Google and the first website will be shown you is the Seedream 4.0 website. And after coming here, simply click on generate image option and voila, you're into Seedream. And you get access to the core editor, limited exports, and basic templates. Perfect if you're just testing the waters. Let's walk through and how to use it. Simply, after coming here, sign up using any of your emails, create a free account, no credit card needed. Yeah, simply and generate and express how creative you can be. Okay, I have given it a prompt hyper decay render of a futuristic skyscraper made entirely of glass and water, twisting like a DNA helix into the sky, clouds reflecting on its surface, surrounded by lush rooftop gardens, drone shot with wide angle lens, cinematic golden hour lighting, architectural visualization quality. Let's see what it can make. Okay, it has made a good one, but what's this? Let's and don't worry, I have way lot of prompt coming in right now. Let's try another one. Okay, I like this one. To be honest. Creepy abandoned hospital halfway at night, flickering fluorescent light wrapped walls, blood red graffiti, shadowy figure. So low. I don't know why it's so low quality, but yeah, this one's it. So that's CRAM 4.0. Free versus and the features you need to know. So if this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI editing tools breakdown, and drop a comment. Which one are you using right now? Next up, I'm coming with some more bangers in the future, and you don't want to miss that. So subscribe the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.